Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about ABO blood group system. ABO blood group system is the most important blood type system in human body transfusion. Determination of ABO blood groups depend upon the immunological reaction between antigen and antibody. In ABO blood group system, there are four main types of blood groups. They are A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group. These four blood groups are identified based on the presence or absence of A and B antigens on the surface of RBCs. Landsteiner rule. If an antigen is present on a patient's red blood cells, the corresponding antibody will not be present on the patient's plasma under normal conditions. This rule explains that if person have blood group A, he has A antigens on the surface of RBCs and B antibodies in blood plasma. If person have B blood group, he has B antigens on the surface of RBCs and A antibodies in the blood plasma. And if a person have AB blood group, he has both A and B antigens on the surface of RBCs and no A or B antibodies in the blood plasma. If a person have O blood group, neither A nor B antigens are present on the surface of RBCs and both A and B antibodies are present in the blood plasma. We are going to learn testing of ABO blood grouping by using diagnostic kit. They consist of monoclonal antibodies, anti-A, B and Rh antigens. Monoclonal antibodies are against antigen A comes in blue color liquid. Monoclonal antibodies against antigen B comes in yellow color liquid. While anti-T monoclonal antibodies are against D antigens, which is colorless reagent. The following material will be required for ABO blood grouping. Clean glass slide, pricking device with pricking needles, a cotton moist with rubbing alcohol, and toothpicks. And we already know that ABO blood group kit consists of antiserum A, B, and D antibodies. First take a clean glass slide and place it on your white paper or white porcelain tile. Now rub the middle finger with alcohol swab. Allow the alcohol to dry and prick the finger with pricking device. Don't forget to change the needle for each person. Now place 4 drops of blood on glass slide. Now add 1 drop each anti-A, anti-B and anti-D reagents. To the fourth blood drop, which is negative control, add a drop of normal saline. Now quickly mix 4 drops individually using 4 different toothpicks. Do not use the same toothpick for mixing all the 4 blood samples. Now leave the glass slide for 30 seconds or couple of minutes. At the end of the time period, check for the clumping in RBCs from the 4 drops. The negative control is not expected to show the clumping or agglutination in case the experiment need to be repeated. The blood group now depends on except negative control, which 3 drops in slide exhibit RBCs clumping. Here this person has O positive blood group because agglutination could be seen in only in third blood drop, which mixed with anti-D or anti-Rh antibody reagent, which means that the blood group is O positive. Always remember, if agglutination or clumping occur in anti-D antibody reagents, it means the blood group is positive. Second person has O negative blood group because there is no agglutination in 3 blood drops. Whereas third person has AB positive blood group because clumping could be seen in all the 3 drops, which mixed with anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D antibodies reagent. Fourth person has AB negative blood group because agglutination could be seen in first two blood drops which mixed with anti-A and anti-B antibody reagent. This person has A positive blood group because we could see agglutination in first and third blood drops which mixed with anti-A and anti-D antibodies reagent. Now you answer the blood group of remaining persons. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.